All right, hey folks, talking security systems today, and there's lots of really good ones out there with services and stuff. This is a do-it-yourself option that's very inexpensive, takes minutes to set up, so if you don't have something, there's no excuse anymore. It's called SimpliSafe. This is what I've got. It's got a base station, the keypad here. It's got all the traditional features of a security system with window, door sensors, glass break detection alarms, motion sensors. It'll even hook up to louder sirens, cameras, all kinds of stuff, carbon monoxide and smoke detectors, and all of it's just Bluetooth, adhesive stick on the wall. There's a little USB stick that allows you to program all the stuff as you would want it, and the key fobs that it comes with. I love this because you can just turn it off and hit the panic button. So I recognize my wife may not be super stoked to set the alarm all the time, but this is so easy for her. She keeps the alarm set pretty regularly, which is great. So little key fobs, which I thought were great. We've also got panic buttons stashed throughout the house where you hold the panic button down, alarm goes off. So where we access our firearms or whatever, in different key places, avenues of ingress and egress, if all of a sudden a threat presented itself, you run away from the door, where would you run? We'll put the panic button where you would run or on the way to there. Anyway, I'm getting into some more of the technical. When the point is to be like, hey, get this stuff if you don't have anything else, right? You can hook it up for monthly monitoring, or you can just be, hey, this is a big noisemaker. So it's your call. There's links below in the description. So take it easy. Train hard, train smart, blah, blah, blah. See ya.